In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Stanley Steemer coupon promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Stanley Steemer coupon promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called retailminute.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have at least three different types of promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one right here with 10% discount of site-wide, all you need to do is select shop code right here. And as you can see, this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from right here and apply this one on your next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if I want to get this $25 off, all you need to do is select copy code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from right here and you can apply this promo code on your next order so that you can get this $25 discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.